This year, Nā Pualei O Likolehua makes 43 years. We were established in 1976 by our Kumu Niuli'i Heine. Nā Pualei has basically been family since I was born. Basically, my mother was, within hālau, danced in the luau shows. She became a kumu with Auntie Mikey Ayu, Uniki through her. And then years later, about 4 or 5 years later, she started Nā Pualei O Likolehua. So I continue, after her passing, I have taken on hālau and continued with Nā Pualei. We started with only women within hālau, young women, and then we've added keiki of the baby class all the way up to the adults, and then we also added a kane class. So hālau has really expanded. We've traveled to many places. One of the most notable one was when we went to Aotearoa, and we were a part of the Haka Festival, and we were hosted by the Queen, Teata. It was a really, really tremendous trip because of the cultural significance of it and the sharing of Hawaii to New Zealand, Aotearoa. We do many community services within the year. One that we do every year, of course, we do Prince Lot Festival. We do Helo Moa, which is at the Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center. This actually gets to showcase all of the classes that we have. Another one which we are just starting to revive because of the pandemic is our Nā Lani E Ha concert. We focus on the four royals. This was inspired by Auntie Vicky E. Rodriguez, who mentored our kumu and had shared some information of just the sibling rivalry amongst the four royals, who were great composers and could hakumele and arrange the music. So they each had their own civic club, and they would have mini competitions amongst each other on singing and dancing. Our Nā Lani E Ha concert mimics that of it. So we feature 4 different hālaus that each take one of the royals, Kalakaua, Lili'uokalani, Leleohoku, Like. And they do the research. They will present an oli, they will sing a cappella, and they will perform a hula within that. So it's a sharing on all, but it's good for researching and education, learning more about the royals. And that was our kumu's intent, was that for people to learn a little bit more of what the royals did in their day.